everyone. Welcome back. Welcome to day one, the official day one of our sketch note challenge. I'm really excited. Oh my gosh, and I'm just seeing some of your sketch notes you've got in the Facebook page group. Oh my goodness, it's pretty exciting. I brought my book along. Hopefully you can see that. So I could make a good banner, couldn't I? Anyway, I laminated my cover because when I take it to workshops, it will be flipped through quite a bit, so it's going to make it a little sturdier. And then just, got mine spiral bound so you can see my pages. So let's jump into today and see where you guys are. So day one, you guys are going to get this. So I'm just starting out with very simple things. So day one, we're going to come up with 3 patterns with lines. I'll show you mine here in just a second. And we're going to just write out the alphabet in block letters. And then, this is the crazy thing, I have some crazy little flowers. I want you to make flowers out of these things. And I can see a little typo here, that this should be a long oval. You'll see on mine. Don't know really why it didn't show up, but I'll figure that out. So just kind of be crazy. So here is my page. So what I did for this particular pattern was I just kind of created a leaf shape, and then I kind of drew lines to kind of mirror the outside lines, and then kind of just did a straight line in the middle. And that kind of creates a very interesting line. And then we have straight lines and dashes. And then this particular one is just really just kind of across. Hatch, we've got lines going this way on a diagonal and this way. And it's hard to see, but I have little dots at each one of these intersections. So when we get to do Fishers of Men, we got the net part down, right? We got that. So then here's my block letters, very simple. And then I've got my flowers. I used actually colored ink pens. I know they're not showing up really well here, but I think I used green and purple. So we just kind of got crazy, just, a little out there. But just to kind of just stretch those visual vocabulary and your visual literacy, just those visual muscles that you haven't been using in a while, just kind of get crazy here and just, no right, no wrong. Just kind of just find some different ways to represent flowers. And then the other thing I want to do, I know today's longer, they all will not be quite this long, but we just have some preliminary work to do. And so I want you to think about 33 icons that you want to draw over the next 30 days. And it's totally fine if you don't come up with a list of 33. It is totally fine if you come up with a list of 103 things that you want to learn to draw. And but it doesn't all have to be done today. You're going to see my list is partial. So I am trying to find, I'm going to draw all things Bible related. So today I'm going to draw an angel and love in the world. And then tomorrow we'll draw other things. And so you see I don't have my list done, but hopefully by the end of the term, you'll have it done. Sorry, that's the school teacher in me. End of the 21-day challenge that you will have this completed. And you'll be amazed. I am already amazed at some of the amazing things that you all are trying out here on not even day one. Lisa, very interesting perspective on the way she drew the Bible. So if you want to go look in October 20th, and just kind of see the way she drew the Bible. So you'd see the outside of the book, not the inside of the book. Most people just draw the book, kind of laying flat like that. And so she kind of drew it like that. So very interesting perspective. And then Tanya drew this awesome horse. Like I am so going to learn to draw horses like she's drawn. She's also drawn the world and a little church. So she has got a ton of icons. Oh, and I love her map as well. So those are things that just, if you're not really sure what to draw, so you might want to draw those kinds of icons, add those to your list. And so check out everybody's posts. They're just amazing. So just keep those posts going. I just love what I'm seeing. I am so excited. You guys are sketch note bosses. So once you get your list done, then tomorrow we're going to have you start actually drawing. And but just remember that everything comes from these 7 elements: line, circle, half circle, S curve, spiral, zigzag, and a paisley. So remember here, We have the house is just a square with an L. A cat is a triangle, a circle, two more little triangles for ears, two half circles for the legs. And my angel is a half circle for the body, two half circles for the wings, two more half circles for the feet, a circle for the head, and a very uh, thin oval for the halo. And then you've got my creation story. So here's the world. So get a little zigzag lines. Make sure that you can identify the Baja Peninsula there, and then the Gulf of Mexico, and then everything else, kind of a little squiggly line. We kind of get it. So uh, then clouds are just very easy to draw. And my cows are just two little squares. And then we just embellish with some little round ears. Put some Guernsey markings on that poor little cow. If you really want to draw the udder, you can do that. So, but you can see everything's really simple. And so the simpler you keep it, the faster you're going to go, and you're going to be able to keep up with the speaker. All right, so today I'm going to challenge you to draw 369. Yeah. Icons here. Hopefully they're very simple. Feel free. And see, I am talking about the Noun Project. So the Noun Project is a free resource where a bunch of graphic designers got together and they just came up with really, really simple icons for all the simple things that we might want to draw. So you might want to check out the Noun Project and, type in sun, moon, star, and then you can get some ideas on how to draw those things with very simple, minimal lines. All right, so here's mine. So the sun is just a circle with some lines around it. Stars, you see like this star kind of had a little oops there, kind of need to be in a little more. That's why feel free to do in pencil. And then if you like what you got, then you can go over it in ink. There's my moon, which is a half circle, kind of two half circles put together. My house is a square and an L. My tree is a circle with made up a bunch of half circles. There's my flower, my world, my cat. Again, my cat and my dog are actually the same basic animal. With the cat we have triangle ears, and with the dog we have oval ears. So give those a try. Can't wait to see what you come up with. All right, and here's my personal icons. So we have my angel, which is a bunch of half circles with the body, the feet, and the wings, and a circle. And I decided to give my angel some curly hair and a halo. And then for love, I decided we're going to represent it with a heart. And again, there's my world. So not the best Gulf of Mexico today, but you get that it's a world. So, all right, so I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Go ahead and post it. I'll try and make comments as many as I can tomorrow. And then stay tuned for day 2. You guys are rocking it. See you soon.